Team skills and interpersonal skills are both important for project managers as they enable them to effectively lead and manage their teams and to achieve project goals. However, there is a subtle difference between the two. Team skills refer to the ability that enable individuals to work effectively as part of a team and to contribute to the success of the team. These skills involve the ability to communicate effectively with team members, collaborate with stakeholders, and build relationships with people from different backgrounds and cultures. Interpersonal skills, on the other hand, refer to the abilities that enable individuals to communicate effectively, cooperate with others, and build relationships with people from different backgrounds and cultures. These skills are important not only within a team, but also in other contexts such as interacting with stakeholders, partners, and customers. In short, team skills are focused on the abilities that enable individuals to work effectively as part of a team, while interpersonal skills are broader and relate to the ability to communicate and build relationships with others in a variety of contexts. Both types of skills are important for project managers as they help to lead and manage their teams, collaborate with stakeholders, and achieve project goals. The interpersonal skills followed by team skills are essential for project managers as they enable them to effectively communicate with team members, collaborate with stakeholders, and build relationships with people from different backgrounds and cultures. These skills are necessary for the successful completion of any project as they help project managers to lead and manage their teams, navigate conflicts, and solve problems. Few important interpersonal skills for project manager are effective communication, which involves the ability to clearly convey information, ideas, and instructions to team members, stakeholders, and other stakeholders. Leadership, which involves the ability to motivate and guide team members towards achieving certain goals and to make informed decisions that align with the project's objectives. Collaboration, that involves the ability to work effectively with others, including team members, stakeholders, and partners, to achieve shared goals and objectives. Adaptability, that involves the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and to work effectively in different environments and with diverse team members. Emotional intelligence, that involves the ability to recognize and understand emotions and to use this knowledge to manage one's own emotions and those of others. Conflict resolution, which is having the ability to identify and resolve conflicts within the team or between stakeholders in a way that promotes teamwork and collaboration. Negotiation skills, that involve the ability to persuade and influence others to reach mutually beneficial agreements and outcomes. Problem solving skills, to identify and resolve problems and to develop and implement effective solutions. Time management skills, to prioritize tasks and manage one's time effectively in order to meet deadlines and achieve project goals. And finally, the intercultural competency, that involves the ability to understand and effectively communicate with people from different culture backgrounds and to navigate and respect cultural values. See you in the next lecture.